Hey everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio, and today we got an oldie but goodie, 97 Chevy Silverado. We're starting to see a lot of these back on the road, right? Everybody's trying to just fix up that older body style. Motor lasts a hell of a lot longer than what they got going on today, but it's getting outfitted with a lot of stuff. We're doing Sony Headunit, matchup 6, new carpet being laid, SoundSkins throughout the vehicle, Sirius actuators. Is getting new seats, so we're going to mount the new seats, and then we'll get it tuned up and delivered to the customer. So stay tuned for this one.
I'm Megan. I'm the shop assistant. I'm going to be installing the SiriusXM radio. First thing I'm going to do is run the antenna. I'm about to start taking off these interior pieces just so I can get to that back end and then get this installed.
In between what I find is pleasing and I'm feeling fine. Love is so confusing, there's no peace of mind. If I fear I'm losing you, it's just no good. You teasing like you do. Was I love and it was her gas? Soon I'll be a pain in the ass. Seemed like the real thing, but I was so blind. Mucha mistrust, life's gone behind. Lost inside a adorable illusion, and I cannot hide. I'm the one you're using, please don't push me aside. We could have made it cruising, yeah.
Hey everyone, Mike back here at Vernons Signature Audio. As you can see, we are getting things done on the truck. Megan has got the Sirius satellite antenna done. Luscious took care of the SoundSkins. Megan took care of laying the carpet. We've got our wiring coming out right here. We're going to do a little, bracket that attaches to the seat for the amp. And just kind of things are moving along really good. We still got to put the actuators in the door for the keyless entry that they want to add. And then pretty much a little bit more putting back together, and hopefully we'll get this playing and sounding good.
On love through bluish light. What I love, I thought was her gas. Soon turned out to be a pain in the ass. Seemed like the real thing, but I was so blind. Mucha mistrust, love's gone behind.
Oh.
Well, I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. I got 7 women.
God damn it! Same shit, different day.
On my mind. 4 that wanna own me, 2 that wanna stone me, 1 says she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Lighten up while you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand. Take it easy. Well, I'm standing on a corner in Winslow, Arizona, and such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. Come on So open up, I'm climbing in. So take it easy.
Everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio. So we've got actuators are in, which you saw that earlier. Alarm remote starter is done. Law's just finishing up under the hood with the siren. Really can't tell that we touched it. Alarm units put up, so that's kind of what you want. Customers shouldn't have to worry about it. All they should do is be able to come, hit a button, see what's going on with it. And even this old vehicle, 97, it starts up great. So decided to go ahead and there we go. So next is going to be getting this all put back together, tuned up, and back to the client.
I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna save me.
Mike back here at Vernons Signature Audio, and the 97 Chevy Silverado is complete. Got outfitted with Headunit head unit, mobile ES component set, match up 6. We're going to utilize, we're actually going to save 2 of those channels on that up 6 to for small sample for the future. Seats are in. Really a transformation, not on the outside, but on the inside. Now, remember, follow us on the app, follow us on Facebook, check us out. You know what? Check that out.